Hi everybody, this is Judi at River City Sewing, and today I'm going to be talking about some preventative maintenance tips for your long arm. Now, it doesn't really matter which long arm you have, what size it is, or anything like that. The little tip today is going to be universal. Okay, so the best piece of equipment you can have in your stash for your machine is one of these. Yes, it's a paintbrush. The paintbrush with the long bristle like this one helps you clear out your bobbin area around your hook, as well as where the bobbin goes. The idea is that you take your bobbin out, use a long haired paintbrush like something like this, get in there and get all that lint out. If you've got a little air compressor, well, that's really great too. A little brush first to get as much out as you can, and then with a compressor you can get behind the hook area and remove as much as possible. What this little guy is going to do is make sure that your bobbin area is always clean. I'd recommend it between every bobbin change because we know wadding is very, very linty, and the last thing you want is these globs of lint going into our quilts as we're putting them through the machine. So it doesn't matter what kind of machine you have, the principle is exactly the same. Keep your machine very clean and it'll serve you very well. So this is Judi signing off and bringing you hints and tips coming up very, very soon on all things sewing. Thanks, bye.